How to redeem Dragon City codes. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Dragon City codes. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you are looking forward to redeem Dragon City codes, then unfortunately there is no Dragon City codes code system as of now. Dragon City does not currently have a conventional redeem code system like many mobile games do, and no system has so far been implemented into the game. Nevertheless, Dragon City has many ways to get free rewards outside of a code system. The first place to start is the calendar icon that sits in the group above the shop button. Here you'll find a free daily login reward, which varies hugely from foods and gems to dragon orbs. Also be sure to keep up with your goals, as this gives you free bonus, gold and XP for simply doing tasks you'll need to do anyway. Most importantly, though, be sure to connect the game to the Dragon City Game Store website via the QR code there and tap on Connect. This gives access to the Divine Pass and Redemption insignia, which give free premium rewards when you hit certain in-game milestones. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.